Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to create 3D AI images just like this for your social media that you can use on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and also on Twitter. Stuff like this could help you drive more traffic to your handles. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Google Chrome, and on your Google Chrome, on the search bar, you search for Bing AI image generator. Let's search for it, Bing AI image generator. This is it, and you click on it. When you click on it, you can see here we have image creator. You want to select this image creator, and when you select this image creator, now on this search bar, you now want to type in the prompt that you want Bing image to generate for you. You have to use a prompt for it to come up with that idea or that picture that you want on social media. So I already have a prompt here, and I'm just going to be pasting it here. You can see what I asked Bing image to generate for me: a 3D illustration of an animated Nigerian female character wearing a t-shirt and sneakers. So I'm going to put this prompt on the description box below. You can also use it the way you want to use it. You can change some things. If you want it for TikTok, you can change Instagram to TikTok so that it can suit into whatever you want to create. And when you are done inputting your prompt, you click on create. You can see it's creating. So we just created our social media image. So this is how it looks like. You can see it gave us 4 different pictures that we can use. So you can as well just click on the one you want to use, and when you click on it, you can just click on this 3-dot icon here and you click on download. It automatically saves to your phone. You can see file downloaded. You can open to preview, or you can go back and you can just, you don't have to click on this particular image. You can just click on it and you download the image, and you can download all this image that is here. So basically that's how to create 3D AI for your social media platforms. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.